currently doing a training contract with the solicitors at the moment, and it means I can fit in my study around my work in evenings and on weekends with the kind of flexibility that the materials are all available online.
We've got a busy corporate finance business which involves me pretty daily in meetings or doing work for clients. This allowed me the flexibility to fit studying for the LPC around the work that we do.
I am a mother, I am a mature student, and I felt it gave me the opportunity again later on in life, that I didn't have or didn't take when I was younger.
After graduating, I got a full-time job and I didn't really want to stop earning money after studying for 3 years, and so studying online accommodates for earning money and studying.
Previously, I was studying the GDL course, which was the same way as this one, which was online version, and I found it very, very easy, straightforward, and basically I could juggle my family life around it.
I'm a mature student and I have 2 young children, and I'm qualifying, almost re-qualifying as a lawyer if you like. I used to work in finance, but now with children that I need to be around for a bit more, law gives me the opportunity, I think, to establish opportunities a bit more locally perhaps than finance might do.